Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we're taking a look at a repair we did on a Dodge Torque Arm 2 Series. The absolute backbone of aggregate and mining industries, this thing is built for power. But even the strongest workhorses have a breaking point. In harsh quarries, these units face constant shock loads and abrasive dust. Eventually, seal failure leads to oil contamination, turning your lubricant into grinding paste that eats away at all the helical gearing and all the itty-bitty little bearings. At Specialty Gear Drives, we perform a full surgical overhaul. We split the case, chemically clean the housing, and replace all bearings with premium Timken or SKF units. If the gears are pitted or broken, our in-house manufacturing division can reverse engineer and cut new components right here in Largo, Florida. After a mandatory 6-hour test run, we apply fresh industrial coating. This Dodge Gearbox is now restored to OEM specs and backed by our massive 24-month warranty. Why buy new when you can get it rebuilt better? We'll even pick it up for free. SpecialtyGearDrives.com.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.